New video. I hope everyone here is doing well. I want to talk about Turbo today. You can see here over the last 24 hours, slight decent increase in price of 10%. Trading volume 62 million, market cap 265 million. If you've watched any previous video I've made on Turbo, you understand my bullish outlook. It is my most bullish meme coin for this cycle. And that's not changed. It has not changed at all. Wanted to just talk about a few things in regards to Turbo, and as you see Turbo up in price 10% over the last 24 hours, you kind of can understand how quickly things can change, quickly how mindsets can change, and people's outlook on specific projects, crypto projects can change in really a 24-hour period. Like, people bearish, or last 7 days, like, bullish, bearish, bullish. Like, things change so quickly in this space that it's important to kind of understand, if you have bullish conviction on a play, to just keep that conviction. Like, it's not like anything has changed fundamentally from Turbo's side of things, right? Nothing's changed. If anything, from a fundamental like catalyst standpoint, things have just gotten more bullish in my opinion, with the community in the holder count staying steady, and actually growing. I mean, you can see here in a down market, Turbo holder count's growing, and I think 52,000 once the market conditions turn around and the market gets better, from a condition standpoint, it's only going to benefit Turbo tremendously. But I want to make this video to talk about Ethereum, and how we as Turbo holders need Ethereum to pump, for Turbo to pump. Like, if you look at the last year for Turbo, right, it's up 1,056%. It was not that long ago when it was sitting at 0.013. Market cap, it was very close to a billion, 879 million market cap, right? And it went from, essentially in May, went from 88 million market cap to 879 million, so almost 800 million plus in market cap from May to December, which is, again, a 6 month time. So if you can imagine, even 6 months from now, you can see how quickly things can change, right? But Ethereum, if you look at hold on, let's go back to the price last year. You look at this and you look at this, right? It's not obviously identical, but if you look at the month chart for Ethereum, you look at the month chart for Turbo, right? Both deep in the red, because Turbo is sitting on Ethereum, and Bitcoin dominance is just continues to be above 60, I believe. I think it's above 60 still. 59.5 BTC dominance, right? So we are not, and we obviously need that to come down like below 50 for Ethereum to really start moving, and altcoin season index sitting at 40 out of 100. But you look at this tweet here, and again, shout out to OneClutch69. I'll put links to this tweet in the description below. When ETH will start moving strongly, I'm looking at Turbo as a leading meme on ETH. 19x from Turbo here seems very likely. Are you ready for the ride? And here's like a screenshot of the chart, and that would put Turbo at right around 5 cents, right? 5 cents, and I think 5 cents for a lot of people would be very, very pleasing. I think a lot of people would be very, very happy for Turbo at 5 cents, and I do think we will see a lot of profit selling at 5 cents for a ton of people, because 6 cents is around a 16x from right now, which is Pepe's current market cap. Pepe's all-time high puts Turbo right around 16 cents, which is a 41x. And prior to the market conditions getting to where they've gotten over the last month, like, this 11 billion market cap seemed very, very reasonable for Turbo, right? Like 10 to 20 cents for Turbo seemed like it was very, very possible. And I think people have backtracked on that just because now the multiplier needs to be so much more. But it's like, you come here, Turbo gets back to these levels, and from here, right, we're at around a penny. I think you get 15 to 20x still, which would put it right around 16, 21 cents, which is right around 11 billion market cap. But again, it's going to rely on Ethereum to be moving and trending in that right direction, and becoming a strong crypto. You can see this article here, underscore the Crypto King Coinpedia, I guess, released another article showcasing top 3 AI altcoins for 2025. Turbo's on that list. It's actually interesting that Turbo gets put in both those kind of categories. AI and meme, which is super, super bullish in my opinion. You can see here Turbo is decentralized as it gets, community projects, partnerships like Open Campus, Mochaverse, the viral campaigns, and I don't even think they mentioned the near protocol Aurora, Aurora protocol or Aurora is near partnership as well, like Turbo Chain, Turbo Swap. All those things are still like in the background moving for Turbo Token. Like those are all going on in the background still. Like those are catalysts that have not been really brought to light, I think, because of market conditions and because meme coins are, you know, so deeply in the red. Even if you look at memes honestly, me recording this video are bouncing back a little bit. But for the most part, over the last like month, right, meme coins have been in the red. And then, there's obviously the looming Robinhood listing for Turbo, which I do think is going to eventually happen. They put this tweet out yesterday. We heard you like crypto, and there was a bunch of people leaving comments talking about which crypto they were going to list, et cetera, et cetera. So that is still an upcoming catalyst for Turbo. Like that is still a catalyst that is going to eventually happen. I think just the community is too strong, and what they offer as tech, I don't want to say technology or utility, but what they offer in comparison to other memes, it does stand out above the rest in my opinion. So again, you guys, Ethereum, let me go back to Ethereum real quick. Ethereum needs to move, and it will move, right? Ethereum will move. We've seen the tweets from like Eric Trump talking about now would be a good time to buy Ethereum. We've seen online, if you go to my Twitter, I think I've been retweeting some things, but again, follow me on Twitter, by the way, BGSNLY. But we've been seeing things on Twitter about whales buying Ethereum, right? Biggest U.S. bank, Goldman Sachs, with 2.8 trillion, just bought 450 million in Ethereum ETF. Trump again bought 5 million Ethereum. They know something about ETH we aren't aware of, right? So we're going to eventually see ETH pump, and when that does pump, memes on Ethereum like Turbo should and probably will pump as well. Again, not financial advice, but let me know in the comments what you guys feel about Turbo. Please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.